Welcome back everyone to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to share screen on Zoom. Firstly, open Zoom and start or join a meeting. If you're a guest, ask the host to enable your screen share access and close any unnecessary apps to prevent pop-ups and noise. Now on the meeting toolbar, click green share screen button at the bottom, and if your Zoom window is small, some icons may be hidden under more. Just hover over to more, then share screen to find it. Now select the entire screen to share everything visible, or choose a specific app window to avoid showing other notifications or chats. Now Zoom will switch to full screen mode automatically, and if you prefer to keep your window smaller, select maintain current size. Just a tip, this prevents display distortion and keeps your shared content clear. Welcome back. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.